Hey guys, this is a basic DIY guide. This is a quick video on how to how to determine if you have a directional tire or asymmetrical tire. So one of the easiest ways to find out if you have directional tires is if you see on the sidewall of the tire, it will say rotation and pointing towards the left or whatever way it's pointing. In this case, this tire is going to go on the driver's side tire, either the front or the back. And another way you could tell is just by looking at the tread. The tread pattern. So you can see the tread pattern, it's moving downwards or counterclockwise, and this tire is going to go to the right front driver's side. And how to rotate it, I'm not going to physically show you right now how to rotate it because it's really simple. Basically, since they only go on one side of the vehicle, the front has to go to the back, and the back goes to the front, and vice versa on the passenger side. So the front tire goes to the back, and the back tire goes to the front. And that's pretty much it. So this just helps people know, because if you switch tires on different sides, they could wear the tread prematurely, and that's not good. So there's a quick video on how to determine if your tires are directional or asymmetrical. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.